How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Sarah Bennett.
My name is Mounir Sara.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Algeria.
I'm from Algeria.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
It's 3:30 p.m.
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer.
I'm a software engineer.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
I'm 29 years old.
Did you eat breakfast?
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Is it going to rain today?
Is it going to rain today?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Of course.
Of course.
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
It's $20.
It's $20.
Do you have a pen?
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Yes, here you go.
What's the date today?
What's the date today?
It's August 6th.
It's August 6th.
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall on the left.
It's down the hall on the left.
How's the weather?
How's the weather?
It's sunny and warm.
It's sunny and warm.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on October 10th.
My birthday is on October 10th.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
My number is 98115-43024.
My number is 98115-43024.
Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
Yes, I love it.
What are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the movies.
I'm going to the movies.
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
I work at Microsoft.
I work at Microsoft.
Have you seen this movie?
Have you seen this movie?
Yes, it's great.
Yes, it's great.
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
Are you married?
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
No, I'm an only child.
No, I'm an only child.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta tonight.
We're having pasta tonight.
Can I borrow your book?
Can I borrow your book?
Sure.
Sure.
Have you been here before?
Have you been here before?
Yes, many times.
Yes, many times.
Why are you late?
Why are you late?
I got caught in traffic.
I got caught in traffic.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping.
I went shopping.
Where did you go to school?
Where did you go to school?
I went to Oxford School.
I went to Oxford School.
When do we meet next?
When do we meet next?
How about next Friday?
How about next Friday?
How do I get to the post office?
How do I get to the post office?
Turn left at the next street, and it's on your right.
Turn left at the next street, and it's on your right.
What are you reading right now?
What are you reading right now?
I'm reading Harry Potter.
I'm reading Harry Potter.
How long have you been working here?
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 3 years.
I've been working here for 3 years.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Yes, I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Do you want to come with us?
Do you want to come with us?
Sure, I'd love to.
Sure, I'd love to.
Have you finished your work?
Have you finished your work?
Yes, just now.
Yes, just now.
What time does the store close?
What time does the store close?
It closes at 8 p.m.
It closes at 8 p.m.
Who is that?
Who is that?
That's my friend, Nadia.
That's my friend, Nadia.
Where did you buy that shirt?
Where did you buy that shirt?
I got it from H&M.
I got it from H&M.
Can you call me later?
Can you call me later?
Of course.
Of course.
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
I'm just a bit stressed.
I'm just a bit stressed.
How was your day?
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
It was good, thanks.
What are your plans for the holidays?
What are your plans for the holidays?
I'm visiting my family.
I'm visiting my family.
How long does it take to get there?
How long does it take to get there?
About 30 minutes by car.
About 30 minutes by car.
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
I love rock music.
I love rock music.
Do you know how to cook?
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking. Can I get you something to drink?
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water would be great. Yes, a glass of water would be great. When does the train leave?
When does the train leave?
It leaves at 5 p.m. It leaves at 5 p.m. Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Oh, just something I remembered.
Oh, just something I remembered.
Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Yes, could you hold this for me?
Yes, could you hold this for me?
Have you met my sister? Have you met my sister? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. What size do you wear?
What size do you wear?
I wear a size medium. I wear a size medium. Is the seat taken? Is the seat taken? No, it's free. No, it's free. What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Shawshank Redemption. I love The Shawshank Redemption. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Of course, just a moment. Of course, just a moment. What's this? What's this? It's a pen. It's a pen. When is the deadline? When is the deadline? It's on the 15th. It's on the 15th. Are you allergic to anything?
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
What time do you wake up?
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
I feel great.
I feel great.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Sorry, we don't.
Sorry, we don't.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to a few countries.
Yes, I've been to a few countries.
Where's the nearest bank?
Where's the nearest bank?
It's 2 blocks down on the right.
It's 2 blocks down on the right.
How much longer will it take?
How much longer will it take?
About another 20 minutes.
About another 20 minutes.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar. Yes, I play the guitar. Can you drive?
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
Yes, I have a driver's license.
What's your email address?
What's your email address?
It's mounir@email.com.
It's mounir@email.com.
Is there anything vegetarian on the menu?
Is there anything vegetarian on the menu?
Yes, we have a vegetarian pasta dish.
Yes, we have a vegetarian pasta dish.
Do you have a reservation?
Do you have a reservation? No, we're just walking in. No, we're just walking in.
How often do you exercise?
How often do you exercise?
I try to work out every day.
I try to work out every day.
What's your favorite book?
What's your favorite book?
I love To Kill a Mockingbird.
I love To Kill a Mockingbird.
Do you know where my keys are?
Do you know where my keys are?
Have you checked your bag?
Have you checked your bag?
Are pets allowed here?
Are pets allowed here?
Yes, we're pet friendly.
Yes, we're pet friendly.
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Yes, the bistro down the street is great.
Yes, the bistro down the street is great.
What time is checkout?
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Do you have any children? Do you have any children? Yes, I have 2 kids. Yes, I have 2 kids. Where can I park my car? Where can I park my car? There's a parking lot just behind the building. There's a parking lot just behind the building. What's the capital of France? What's the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. The capital of France is Paris. Can I pay with a credit card? Can I pay with a credit card? Yes, we accept all major cards. Yes, we accept all major cards. Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Yes, it's my first visit. Yes, it's my first visit. How long is the flight? How long is the flight? It's about 6 hours. It's about